Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azhar Faris bin Nordin, and my metric number is 308374. We are from group 10, and our group project is about Maybank. So, for the introduction, Maybank, also known as Malayan Banking Berhad, is one of the largest financial institutions in Southeast Asia. Established in 1960 and headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Maybank now has operations in more than 18 countries, including Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, United Kingdom, and also United States. Maybank offers a wide range of services, including retail banking, corporate banking, investment banking, insurance, asset management, and Islamic banking through Maybank Islamic Berhad. With a workforce of over 40,000 employees, Maybank has positioned itself as a customer-focused, innovative, and globally competitive organization. What sets Maybank apart is its commitment to humanizing financial services to ensure that its services and its people create meaningful impact. This including continuous investment in employee training and development. Next, for the problem statement, the banking industry is currently undergoing a rapid shift due to digital transformation. New technologies like online banking platforms, mobile apps, and new systems are changing how customers interact with banks. In Maybank's case, studies have shown that some employees, especially at the entry level and mid-level, struggle to keep up with the new digital tools such as the MAE apps and CRM systems. Additionally, delivering excellent customer service while maintaining compliance with changing regulations is more challenging than ever. Therefore, implementing a well-structured training program is crucial to ensure that employees are not only technically skilled but also confident in digital communication and service delivery. To identify what kind of training is truly needed, we conducted the Training Needs Assessment (TNA). This assessment focused on 3 levels, which is organizational analysis, task analysis, and also individual analysis. For the organizational analysis, Maybank is currently implementing the M25 Plus strategy, which focuses on digital innovations and customer experience. This strategy emphasizes the needs for a workforce that is digitally proficient and aligned with the new business goals. The HR department supports this by providing digital learning platforms and continuous training opportunities. Next, for the task analysis, we examine the key tasks required for the roles like customer relationship executives who handle online transactions, recommend product, and also interact with customers digitally. These roles demand skill in communication, technical system, and problem solving. From job descriptions and manager feedback, we identify gaps in understanding the MAE and CRM systems, time management, and also adaptability to rapid changes. The third one is individual analysis. The individual analysis, we found that many staff lack confidence and competence in handling digital systems. Some employees are unfamiliar with recent updates and struggle with digital communication. The person analysis help identify exactly who needs training and in what specific areas such as soft skills, system usage, and also customer interaction online. So to support our findings, we use 2 main data collection methods, which is survey questionnaires and also structured interview. For the survey questionnaires, we sent to 150 customer-facing staff, which is we get the result showed that 60% were uncomfortable using digital platforms like MAE and CRM system. And for the structured interview, we have conducted with the supervisors who share example of staff struggling to adapt to new system or serve customers efficiently online. These methods provide both broad and also specific insight, helping us design a training program that is targeted, practical, and also impactful. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Let's begin with an overview of the training program entitled Empowering Digital Workforce, Training Digital Banking Excellence. It will be held from 25 to 27 at Maybank Academy, Bangi. This program focuses on enhancing digital skills, customer service, regulatory compliance, and also leadership among the frontline staff and junior executive. On day 3, we use props and feedback form to support leadership activities and gamifications. All equipment is tested and set up by the training team a day in advance. The lesson plan is structured based on training needs analysis. Each objective is tied to a specific training module. For example, to improve digital skills, employees will go through hands-on simulations with tools like MAE and CRM systems. Alright, to strengthen compliance, we also include real case discussion on BNM and also AML. We also focus on soft skills like handling customer complaints, boosting self-confidence, and enhancing time management. Alright, now we will talk about the participant. For each training, we will have 25 to 30 participants. This number ensures individuals access to digital tools like MAE and CRM and allow effective group activities. For example, in simulation or role-play session, they can be easily divided into small teams where everyone has a chance to contribute. Alright, now we will talk about training site selection. The training will take place at Maybank Berhad in Bangi, which is well equipped and convenient, located near HQ. Different spaces are chosen according to daily activities. Seminar room for orientation, labs for system walkthrough, and multi-purpose hall for games and closing session. Now we will talk about training room setup. Each room is equipped with essentials like air conditioner, internet, and also laptop. On day 1, a seminar room will support orientation and team bonding. And day 2, participant will work in a lab style setting, each with their own laptop. What about on day? Alright, on day 3, use more flexible hall for leadership tasks and the final ceremony. All these 3 days helps ensure immersive and realistic. Alright, now we will talk about seating arrangement by day. On day 1, we use cluster seating for teamwork. On day 2, we adopt individual sitting in row for focusing during technical tasks. And on day 3, we combine theatre style for assessment and circle style for reflecting and sharing. Now, we will talk about type of trainer. Trainer will be drawn from Maybank's internal pool of certified trainers with experience in digital tools and customer service. Guest speaker from Bank Negara Malaysia and Maybank's compliance team will also be involved. Each day features a different training profile to match the learning objective from orientation on day 1, simulation on day 2, and leadership coaching on a day. Alright, now we will talk about training equipment. Each participant will use tools like laptop, tablet, and also simulation software. We will divide it in 3 days. So on day 1, features, projector, and materials for orientation. On day 2, is more hands-on with CRM and MAE walkthrough using headphones and personal devices. On day 3, on day 3, on day 3, use props, feedback forms. In this slide, we will talk about training method. So the training use interactive, visual, and hands-on method for from presentation and demos to simulations, role play, and group games. Each method is chosen based on the day's goal. This helps participants to engage and retain knowledge more effectively. This slide, we will talk about training content breakdown. So, on day 1, introduce Maybank value, customer service basic, digital tools, and cyber security. On day 2, we emphasize compliance and customer recovery technique. On day 3, focus on leadership, time management, and personal motivations. Ending with simulation and feedback.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Amin and I will continue presenting these three key parts. First one, program implementation, constraints and recommendations. Now let's begin with program implementation. The program is called Empowering Digital Workforce Training for Digital Banking Excellence and it will be held from 25 to 27th June 2025 at Maybank Academy in Bangui. The main objective is to strengthen digital fluency and ensure compliance, especially among our branch staff and junior executives, and our target group includes those who may be struggling with digital tools and analytics and need more support in adapting to today's digital work environment. The training style is hands-on using real-time application that staff can apply directly to their daily responsibilities. Let's look at the training agenda highlights for the 3-day program. Day 1, we will start with Maybank's vision and values, followed by hands-on sessions with digital banking tools, and close the day with cybersecurity awareness. Second day focuses on compliance and service. There will be SOB briefings, policy simulations, and customer service role plays, including compliant handling strategies. And the last day is shifts to soft skills development with leadership and time management workshops, a final simulation and certification session. Overall, each day is structured to build skills progressively in an interactive and engaging way. Finally, let's move on to constraints and recommendations that will help make this program successful and practical. We have identified three main challenges. First, time constraints due to staff workload. Second, tech anxiety for those with low digital competence. Third, frequent updates to B&M regulations making compliance complex. To overcome this, we recommend first, embedding micro-learning into tools staff already use. Second, establishing a peer coaching or buddy system. Third, using simulation-based compliance training to simplify complex policies. These strategies will ensure that learning is not only accessible but also sustainable in long term. Thank you.
Good day, doctor. My name is Erica Anthony. My metric number is 298403, and today I'll be talking about the behavior evaluation level of the Maybank 5-day training program, which is based on Kirkpatrick's level 3 evaluation model. So this level focuses on how well participants apply what they have learned once they return back to their jobs. So for Maybank, this is especially important because the training is designed to change everyday behaviors in areas like, let's say, customer care, compliance, leadership, and also digital banking. And to help with this program includes real-world simulations, hands-on activities like leadership, role plays, digital navigation, and customer service scenarios. They allow participants to practice new skills in a safe environment before applying them in real work situations. And also, Maybank uses a few strategies. For example, managers can give feedback on whether staff are now using digital tools more effectively, or maybe following compliance rules or delivering better customer service. There can also be follow-up assessments at 30, 60, or 90 days to track improvements over time. And adding on to that is this program includes daily feedback loops during training. This help identify early signs of change, which can then be supported through coaching and also mentoring. And with the right follow-up, performance incentives, and also a culture of continuous learning, there's a high chance this program will successfully drive real behavior change at work. Okay, so now let's take a quick look at the second part, which is level 1 post-test, which focuses on participants' immediate reactions after the training. So at the end of the 5-day training program, Maybank conducted a post-test survey to find out how participants felt about the training. So the survey asked about things like the relevance of the content, how useful the digital tools were, how confident participants felt with compliance procedures, and their comfort in applying leadership skills. It measured their overall satisfaction with the trainers and also the program delivery. So these responses are actually important because they give us early insights into whether the training was well received and if the delivery matters like hands-on activities actually help people learn better. So if participants were to respond positively to certain parts of the training, like interactive sessions or real-life simulations, those elements can be kept or even expanded in future programs. So in short, level 1 feedback helps the organization understand what worked well and what can be improved, making future training even more effective. So that's all from me. Thank you.
To conclude, this training and development project highlights how essential upskilling is in helping Maybank stay competitive under its M25 Plus strategy. Through a detailed training needs assessment, we identified key gaps in digital literacy, regulatory compliance, customer service, and also leadership, especially among frontline and junior staff. Our proposed training program was carefully designed to address these gaps using hands-on simulations, real-world scenarios, and interactive methods. The structure ensures that learning is not only effective but also applicable to daily work tasks. With proper implementation and evaluation using Kirkpatrick's model, this program can lead to lasting behavioral improvements in the workplace. Ultimately, it supports Maybank's mission to deliver digital and human-centered financial services by empowering its employees with relevant future-ready skills. That's all from us. Thank you.